Guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2019 not launching or it keeps crashing. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you guys can do is make your way over to Steam. From Steam, look for Call of Duty Modern Warfare, right click on it and go ahead and hit manage, and then go over to properties, then go over to installed files, and then go ahead and select verify integrity of game files. Once that's done verifying, you guys can relaunch Modern Warfare. Now that should be the first method. The second method you guys can try doing is by making your way over to the search bar and typing in device manager. Once the device manager is open, you guys can go ahead and open up the device manager, click on the display adapters, right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then select search automatically for drivers. Once this is done updating, I highly recommend restarting your PC right after. And another way of updating your drivers is simply going to be by clicking on the NVIDIA app directly, or AMD if you're on AMD. Go over to drivers and then go over to download if you have a new driver. And yeah, that should be pretty much it. Again, I recommend restarting your PC as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. That should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.